Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. As you can see, we are doing crunchy roasted chickpeas. Okay, the spice that you use is really important. This is spicy, it's delicious, and you can use it for other recipes as well. So guys, come along with me and let's do this. You are welcome. So guys, let's get started. I have my canned chickpeas, which is already cooked, so I will drain that nicely. Okay, and then I make sure that it is really dry, so that's why I put on a paper towel and make sure it's nicely dried so that I can add my spices. So guys, to add my spices, I have my oil. Okay, put my oil in the bowl. I'm using Rapseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil as well, depends on you. Okay, and I'm going to add my spices. I have some paprika, I have some onion powder, I have some cumin, and also I'm using Suya spice. Okay, that is the star of the show, Suya spice. It gives it this lovely taste, and it's spicy. I tell you, you can get Suya spice in any of the African shops. So let's try and mix our spice. So guys, our chickpea is nicely spiced. I put that into a tray. Okay, and I'm going to put that into the oven. All right, to spread it out nicely, and I put that into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's nice and crunchy and delicious. So guys, this is our Suya spice crunchy roasted chickpeas. It's so delicious. You have to try this recipe. Guys, if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.